Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. A model can be created using a CSV or Excel file as your data source. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the modeler application to select a source file from a local system, how to ensure the source data meets the requirements for creating a model, and how to import the source file to begin wrangling and validating the data. Your data source must include column headers that can be used to create dimensions, as well as transactional data to create measures. In your SAP Analytics Cloud tenant, expand the navigation bar and click on the modeler application. For this tutorial, we will select to create a new model from a CSV or Excel file. In the Import Data from File pop-up window, we will choose to get our file from a local system, and then we need to select Source File. Go ahead and highlight the data source or the file that you're going to use and click Open. You can now see that the file is listed. Additionally, under Sheet, because this file has multiple sheets of information in it, you will need to select which sheet you want to use to import the data from. For this one, we are going to use the tab or the sheet that is titled Data. You will also want to ensure that the box next to Use First Row as column headers is checked. Once that is checked, go ahead and press Import. You may receive a message that looks like this. It is telling you that your data was successfully uploaded, but because there are a large number of rows in your data set, we have selected a sample for you to work with. Any work done on the sample will be applied to the full data set at the time you create the model. In the next tutorial, we will discuss wrangling and validating the data to create a model. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the modeler application to select a source file from a local system, how to ensure the data meets the requirements for creating a model, and how to import the source file to begin wrangling and validating the data. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.